Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to do a short video for you. Just show you the progress of the layout with the foam and so I'm gonna make a short video here. This is Murfreesboro Yard. It's all in, ready to go with the foam. I had 6 tracks originally for the yard. Now I'm down to 5 tracks. But it's all doing good through here. No derailments. I've run back and forth right here. I got just a lot of cars and a lot of crap sitting around. So the engine house will be moved. It won't be here anymore. There'll be just a couple of tracks here with engine sitting on it, just for like a sanding tower and fuel stand and stuff like that. But that building will be moved over here to Willisville. I'm going to have a ethanol plant right here. I'm going to use that building for grain unloading and have that here. Cars go in to the building there and get unloaded, and loading the waste, for animal feed. One of those doors will get cars for that, and I'll put a track back here with loaded tank cars for ethanol. I don't know in '89 if there was even ethanol plants around, but it's your layout. Use your modeler's license. We'll just see what happens. But I've ripped all this up in Willisville, and hopefully next week I'll get some foam put down. But tracks come all the way through here, around here, with the foam, into Ava. This was the sandpaper company that was sitting down there. I moved it up to here, and I think I'm just going to have it change it to a milling company. Just grain comes in and gets unloaded, and they mill it, and it goes out with rail car. I added that background building there for box cars and stuff, for like 50-pound bags to be loaded and stuff. But down here where the sandpaper company was, it's going to be Rathert lumber, but this is going to be concrete. And the cars come in center beams and flats, and they'll be put there, and this will be all concrete. And there'll be a fence that goes around, not for maybe 4 or 5 cars, but that's about it. And then it comes around, foam does. And we're into Campbell Hill now. I'm gonna start putting this yard in. I'm moving this building to here, so I can use that little yard that I had for GM, for the coil cars and box cars. But this building here will go right here, where this brush and stuff is, and comes down through here. This will still be a team track, but that's as far as I've went with the foam so far. So hopefully I'm going to clean all this off and vacuum it and everything, and get all this up, and start working this way. So I think right here where the stamping plant was, I think I'm going to put the lumberyard there, for the wood chips and lumber going out and everything. So just wanted to make a short video, tell you guys that I'm still alive and I'm working on stuff, and I'm sorry that it's taking forever for videos, but life gets in the way, you know what I mean. But I'll keep you guys informed, and I'll let you guys hopefully won't leave you in the dark too long with the next video. So appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for subscribing, and you give me a few minutes of your time. So you guys take care. Bye.